This is a voiceover video. If you feel uncomfortable, then you can mute it. It's a boy-boy fan fiction. If you are homophobic, kindly leave. The names, characters, events, and incidents portrayed in this story, even those are based on real people, are all fictional. It has nothing to do with any idol or their real life. So don't take it serious. And if I do any mistake in voiceover, then please forgive me. Are you kidding me, Jinyoung? He would never.
It was my idea.
Yoongi's voice cut Jimin's voice off, who just entered there, and Jimin looked back at him, whispering his name. Yoongi here? Yoongi walked closer, standing a few steps away from Jimin. But why Young? Jimin still couldn't believe that Yoongi wanted to end it all.
Like Mr. Kim said, it would affect my career, and it's not real anyway, so there's no use to continue it.
Yoongi explained coldly, and Jimin felt a pang in his heart, hearing that it wasn't real, which was true, but he still wanted to argue. Namjoon and Jin walked out to let them talk it out. But it's going good, Young. It's not like fans will hate you, right?
But I don't want to debut like this, where people will think that I got everything because I'm your boyfriend. I want to make it on my own.
Yoongi said, but didn't realize how harsh his words were. Did he know it, or maybe he said it intentionally? My boyfriend. Jimin let out a sad chuckle when tears were already welling up in his eyes. So it's the point. But do you know, Young, that you have already a different place in people's eyes? Do you know that they see you as a person, not as my boyfriend? They see you as a well-managed and talented person, not as my manager. Do you know that? He couldn't hold his tears back, those fall running down from his rosy cheeks. Yes, it was fake, but tell me why? Why you want to end it like this? In this way? Why you are so distant from me, Young? Jimin argued, raising his voice.
Then what do you want, huh?
Yoongi bursted on him, making him all silent.
Do you wanna keep on fake dating? Do you wanna keep on fooling people around just to get their attention, just to be popular? Tell me.
Yoongi shouted at him, and Jimin was just looking in his eyes with his teary one. Yes, he agreed because it was beneficial, but it was never like how Yoongi described it.
Tell me, Jimin, for how long you will keep on faking it? And what if they ask us to marry? Would you marry me just to pretend? Would you fake your marriage?
Yoongi's words were breaking Jimin's heart, and he knew Yoongi had a point.
You can, Jimin, right? Because you're good at pretending, you're good at lying, you're good at faking your love, your care, your words, your confession, your feelings, your emotions. You are good at kissing just to pretend, but I am not.
Yoongi bursted at Jimin, who couldn't help letting out the tears. Those were threatening in his eyes. He wanted to scream that none of it was fake, none. But he couldn't. Fine. Jimin let out a shaky breath and wiped his tears off his cheeks. Do whatever you want. Jimin left from there, shutting the door loud, showing he was angry. Yoongi sighed before throwing himself on the chair. He was wondering how they ended up like this, and where it was going. He definitely didn't want to lose his temper or talk anything rubbish, but it wasn't a lie though. That's what he thought, because he didn't have any idea about how Jimin was feeling. And when Jimin's dreary eyes roamed in his mind, he couldn't help but blame himself, because he had once promised himself that he would never let those eyes shed even a single tear. And now he was the reason Jimin had tears in his eyes. 1 week later. What do you mean by we are going as a couple? Jimin asked, glaring at Namjoon, who was seated on his chair calmly, heaving a sigh before speaking. It simply means you all are going there to perform a couple dance. It's an award show, and you need to go there. I'm not going anywhere, especially with him. Jimin refused stubbornly, crossing his arms over his chest. And we are not a couple. You are still officially boyfriends, if you remember, Jimin. Namjoon again stated calmly. And why? Why it's still not confirmed yet that we broke up? This fake relationship? Jimin, you know the agreements cannot be ended this way, don't you? Why didn't you say that same thing to Yoongi when he asked to end it?
It's wrong for you.
Yoongi's voice reached his ear, who was sitting on the couch behind him. Whatever. Jimin mused, rolling his eyes back. Go and practice now. The choreographer must be waiting for you. Namjoon ordered and Jimin walked out of there, stomping his small feet, glaring at Yoongi, who also stood after Jimin walked out. What's happening between you two, Yoongi? Asked Namjoon, but Yoongi didn't answer back. Whatever it is, solve it out soon. He spoke understandingly that Yoongi wasn't in a state to answer anything. After a few days, Yoongi point of view.
I packed my stuff before standing off the dance studio's floor, where Jimin and I were practicing. It was exhausting. We practiced a bit too much today and it's already 11:15 when I finally looked at the clock. My gaze shifted on him, who is tying his shoelaces. He is of course tired because he practiced more than I did. I couldn't stop but to admire his chubby face, that seeming not tired. His cute natural powdery lips are so damn inviting that I have no rights to taste them. He stood when I asked him, "Would you come with me?"
I have my own car.
He answered shortly without even glancing at me, and I saw him leaving the studio room. So stubborn he is. Well, this behavior of his is expected after this all. I have no idea if it's gonna continue this way or how will it end. With a sigh, I too left to get my car from parking area.
Other side, Jimin point of view. As I left the room, I remember I didn't bring my car today. How am I gonna get back now? Should I? No, I'm not going to ask him. What does he think of himself? He said those mean things to me, and I'm expecting to get his helping hand? No way. This is not happening. I grabbed my phone out of my mini bag only to find it dead. This all has to happen now. Now I'm cursing myself for not accepting his offer. I flinched from the car home that just stopped right beside me, and inside is Yoongi. Of course, because it's his car.
Come, get in.
I seriously didn't like how he asked me coldly. He could have asked more politely. I wanted to throw my hands on him. Actually, the whole me because I'm seriously missing his embrace and I want to cry but not now. At least not in front of him. I'm gonna get at home on my own. I replied in the same tone and I could sense him heaving a sigh because I wasn't looking at him. Then I heard him starting the car again. Is he really going to leave me on my own?
This offer is up for next 5 minutes.
He said, looking ahead while tapping his fingers on the steering wheel. It was ecstatic to find him still waiting for me to get in even after I refused. Why is so damn good? I cannot help but fall for him every single passing minute. But it hurts to know that he does it out of his nature. It's nothing like he has something special for me. I was too lost to realize that I was still standing there when his car went some meters away from me. And that's when I came out of my thoughts. Hey, wait! I almost screamed, then he stopped the car. I ran fast and without any delay hooked in on the passenger seat beside him.
Thought you decided to stay there.
He almost whispered, but I still heard it. I glared at him, but he was unbothered, busy pulling the gear. After a drive of almost 20 minutes, we reached our apartment and I was starving as well as tired at the same time. How am I gonna cook now? I cannot think anything straight empty stomach. I plopped my tired body on the couch and glanced at him, who was going in the kitchen directly. Is he going to make something to eat for himself? Should I ask him to make something for me too? How can I just a day ago I said not to make anything for me in anger. How could I be so stupid to refuse having his handmade food? My thoughts interrupted when I saw him coming out of the kitchen. Is he not going to make anything? I looked away immediately when I found him gazing at me. I acted like I didn't see him coming. Wait. I blurred out seeing him standing in front of me.
Making myself some food. Do you have any wish to eat something?
I couldn't believe he still asked me to cook for me. I wanted to say yes so desperately, but it would be embarrassing after I refused. So leaving no choice, I said, No need. I'm not hungry. My stomach growled at the same time, leaving me all embarrassed.
Ah, got it.
He left saying that, and with an embarrassing sigh, I too stood off the couch, stepping towards the kitchen. Here, Yoongi started preparing something to eat for them both. He knew Jimin was hungry, but he still wanted to ask the younger if he wanted to eat or not. The younger had never refused to eat anything made by him, and Yoongi was exhausted of the situation they were in right now. He sensed Jimin coming there in the kitchen, but didn't bother himself to look at him. Don't need to make anything for me. I'm gonna make myself something. Jimin voiced out, and Yoongi said without looking at him.
I'm making for us both, so go and sit there.
I said I can make for myself.
Instant noodles is all you know how to boil.
I know how to cook, understand?
Oh, yeah. Then go for it.
Yoongi uttered, still not looking at Jimin because he is well known of his stubborn nature. Jimin pulled an apron and bore it. He looked for something to make instantly. After chopping some veggies, he put the pan on the stove and lit it on. He sighed at Jimin for a moment, who was also standing there. Jimin looked for the oil that was on the left side of where Yoongi was standing, and Jimin was on the right side. He bent to Yoongi's side, making him a bit startled of Jimin's sudden closeness. Then Jimin's head slightly touched his chest. As Jimin's hand grabbed the oil bottle, he stood there again completely unbothered of what he did to Yoongi's heart just a second ago. Jimin twisted open the oil bottle, and as he poured it in the pan, it accidentally splattered out of the pan, making Jimin panic, and immediately put the bottle aside with a amused curve. Yoongi couldn't help but to chuckle internally at how cute the younger looked at the moment. Letting it be, Yoongi concentrated on whatever he was doing because he knew at the end of the day, Jimin was going to eat the food he was making because there was no chance the younger was going to finish it without burning it. Yoongi again glanced secretly at whatever Jimin was doing, and he gasped loudly when he saw the pan caught the fire. His eyes went wide and immediately pushed Jimin away from there and turned off the stove. He immediately put the pan in the sink while turning on the tap and looked at Jimin. His first reaction was concerning towards the younger, and he asked him, holding his shoulders.
Are you alright?
Jimin was still processing the things just happened and only could give a nod while looking at the pan that was now under the water tap on which he was working a few seconds ago.
Are you dumb or something?
Yoongi said when his concern turned into anger, but he was still concerned about the younger.
What the hell you were doing, huh? Did I ask you to not to cook? Not a single word, and go sit there on the couch.
Yoongi voiced out, ordering Jimin, cutting off whatever he was about to say. But I didn't cook. Jimin's words hung in the air when Yoongi suddenly picked him up in his arms in a bridal style. Jimin's eyes almost popped out of his sockets and his arms unconsciously wrapped Yoongi's neck. Yoongi walked when Jimin said, "What are you? Put me down." Jimin tried to get himself set out of Yoongi's arm, but he was holding him tight. "Young, put me down."
Shut your mouth up, Jimin. Or you want me to do it for you?
Yoongi stopped on his steps as he said it, looking in Jimin's eyes, whose heart skipped its beat, witnessing Yoongi's intense gaze lingering on his lips. He gulped and decided to stay calm, but deep down he was screaming. Jimin couldn't help but to stare at Yoongi's face and his lips, those he wanted to taste again. After walking in the living room, Yoongi put Jimin down on the sofa, where as he was about to stand, Jimin tightened his grip over his knee, forcing him to stop there.
What are you doing, Jimin?
Said Yoongi in a low voice, looking in Jimin's eyes. "I wanna kiss you, Young." Jimin whispered shamelessly, glancing at those tempting lips of Yoongi, and shifted his eyes again to look at him in the eyes.
Where?
Asked Yoongi, slowly leaning closer to Jimin's lips. "Kiss me, Young. I wanna feel your lips again on mine." Jimin demanded shamelessly.
Jimin?
"Yes, Young."
Jimin, what are you doing?
Jimin blinked his eyes only to find that he was still wrapping Yoongi's neck, and he was looking at him confusedly.
Let go of me, or you want the food to burn as you burnt yours?
Jim immediately pulled his hands back, leaving Yoongi Snape, who stood there staring at Jim.
Were you daydreaming?
Wasn't. Jimin couldn't stop the heavy blush spreading on his cheeks and tried to hide it, looking away.
You're blushing. What were you daydreaming about?
Yoongi asked in a teasing tone when a smirk plastered on his lips. The food will burn. Go and check it. Jimin said to divert Yoongi's attention from his blushy face, and fortunately it worked as Yoongi walked fast from there. Such a flirt haze. Time skipped the performance day. Jimin stood against Yoongi in the middle of the stage where they would be performing the dance. The couple dance they practiced to give their best. No matter how much it was messed up between them, Jimin didn't want to mess up the dance. His passion for dance was known the best of him, so there they were standing in front of each other. And no matter how much Jimin tried to shift his eyes on other things, Yoongi was the best view they could have ever get. The lights went off and only a light that was above their heads was on. The cameras on every angle to take the perfect shots of them were already on. It was a live performance and there wasn't any chance of any mistake. Yoongi, whose eyes never wanted to look at anything else than the angel standing in front of him. Jimin's milk white shirt, the upper two buttons unbuttoned, leaving it hanging on his shoulder, giving a perfect wide view of the pearl skin of his upper from neck to his perfect shaped collarbones. His waist, thin and curvy, that was visible due to the short length of the shirt that was hanging on his body. As compared to Yoongi, he was casting the shadow of an angel. Unlike Yoongi, whose black outfit was screaming the demonic aura, Jimin was quite opposite. Jimin's ethereal angelic beauty was causing Yoongi's heart to beat faster. As the music started playing, both raised their hands up in the sky, meeting them, and the other hands of theirs rested on their backs. As they moved, they stepped slowly, making the eye contact. That was soon broke by Yoongi, as he was afraid to get lost in those hazel eyes of the young girl. Their steps matching the energy of the song, moving perfectly yet closer. It was the step where Yoongi was just behind Jimin with one hand holding his belly and another moved from his left shoulder to his right one intensely, while Jimin threw his neck back to give more access to his long fingers. Those trailed on his bare collarbone. Jimin had to control himself moaning because Yoongi had to trail kisses from his neck to his shoulder. As Yoongi's lips touched Jimin's skin on his neck, Jimin closed his eyes. Though Yoongi's lips just slightly touched Jimin's skin, but it was enough for him to lose his control over his expressions, those he was trying to maintain. Now, his expressions were going to give the performance more emotions, but he still wished to control them. On the other hand, Yoongi controlled his body, moving more closer to Jimin than he already was. Only he knew how he controlled his lips to not to touch the soft skin of Jimin completely. The very next step was where Yoongi had to turn Jimin forcefully facing him and pick him up like a doll. As Jimin was picked up by his waist and with the beat of music, he slowly leaned on Yoongi's face, wrapping his nape securely. Their faces closed and breaths falling on their faces. They didn't need to pretend like they were lost in the moment. Their eyes met instantly and lips just at a distance, where if they moved a bit they could have collided, and that's what they feared the most. Slowly, Jimin moved his face down while holding Yoongi's face, and now he had to wrap his legs around Yoongi's waist and needed to throw his body back a little, then wrap Yoongi's body instantly. And now was the final step, where Yoongi had to kneel down just beside Jimin's standing posture, holding his waist with one hand and another he needed to wrap around Jimin's thigh. It wasn't the first time while this dance performance when Yoongi's hand was on Jimin's bare belly because of his crop shirt, but his hot breath fanning on the line of his thin waist was doing things to him. And the way those long fingers of Yoongi's were wrapping his thigh, it was too much for Jimin. It was a performance where they needed to show like one was running away and another was chasing him and begging to stay. And that's what they showed with every step of the performance. It was intense, romantic, sad, and with a lot of unspoken words where couples lack. And they didn't realize it that they were also doing the same. But it was different in the manner that neither of them was chasing each other, but running away from each other. As the performance ended, both bowed towards everyone, and the thing they didn't expect was asked by everyone around them in a demanding voice to kiss each other. The chanting was so loud that both the artists couldn't even hear their own voices. It's not like they didn't want it, but the thing they feared the most was their own minds, those were overthinking. Jimin didn't want to kiss because he didn't want to hear that he did it that just to pretend. And Yoongi didn't want it because he feared that he might not stop. And at last, they had to kiss, but Yoongi just gave a quick peck on Jimin's lips and backed away smiling at everyone, holding Jimin's hand, pretending like there was nothing wrong between them. But their fans in the crowd weren't satisfied with that simple smooch and wanted more that couldn't be done after Yoonmi left the stage. Jimin directly went in the changing room and Yoongi followed him behind. As soon as they reached there, Jimin said, "We need to stop it. I cannot do it anymore."
Like I want to.
Yoongi chuckled sarcastically, but he wasn't lying. He didn't want to do it because he loved Jimin and couldn't pretend like a fake boyfriend anymore. "Oh, seriously? Then why you kissed me? What were you doing, huh? Pretending like I was. Don't tell me you were enjoying taking advantage of the situation."
Taking advantage? If I were to take advantage of you, I would have kissed you and let my tongue roam in that little mouth of yours. But I chose to leave it. Just tell me one thing, Park Jamin. Wasn't it your idea at first to pretend like a fake couple just to get those so-called benefits? Then why do you regret now, huh?
Oh yes, it was my idea. And you know what? Yes, I regret it now. I regret it. He busted at Yoongi, whose heart crushed because he didn't know Jimin was actually regretting it. He didn't want to hear it. I regret because I thought it was beneficial. If I had known of the fact that it would turn worse, I would have never did it. I regret spending time with you, giving my emotions to it, and I regret for kissing you that day. It was so disgusting. Jimin bursted in anger, not even knowing what he was saying. But whatever it was, Yoongi didn't like it.
You feel disgusting kissing me, huh?
Yoongi asked with a quiet anger in his voice. Yes, I regret it, and if I could get a chance, I would go back at time and would never kiss you because it was so disgusting that I want to rip off my lips out of my body. That's it, and Yoongi held Jimin's face tightly before smashing his lips harshly on his plumpy one. Jimin blinked for a moment, processing, and his eyes went wide. His voice muffled as he wanted to ask Yoongi to back off, but he was harshly holding Jimin's face with both of his hands, and his lips were forming in a pout, and that pout was being sucked hard by Yoongi. Jimin tried to push Yoongi, but he was too strong to push away. Yoongi pulled Jimin's pouty lips more hardly for a long minute, and then left him with a jerk. Jimin breathed heavily, catching the air because it felt like, along with his lips, Yoongi sucked the oxygen from his body. He couldn't believe, but Yoongi just did, and why he did that. He was confused yet angry, and Yoongi looked at Jimin's now red, swollen lips because of how hard he had them. He himself didn't know what he did and how he got the courage to do something as shameful as that to his only angel, that he wasn't in his right mind at the moment. He didn't like how Jimin said the kiss was disgusting.
Now, rip off your lips. I did it again. It feels disgusting, right? But you know what, Park Jimin? I would do that on every inch of your body, every fucking inch, and see how much you feel disgusted about it.
His words shivered Jimin up, and he sweared that it was the first time he saw Yoongi like this, a totally new person. He felt like he was met with the devil inside Yoongi, whom he always talked about. Yoongi stormed out of the room without changing, and Jimin was left alone there dumbfounded. Seated there, and the whole scene flashed in his mind, and he regretted after realizing what he actually boasted. He frustratedly groaned because he knew he had hurt Yoongi by those harsh words. How could he even say that? The kiss was disgusting. A Jimin in his right mind would never have said that, and he cursed himself for not being in the right mind. But he was more amazed of the things Yoongi did and whatever he had said. Jimin would actually want that, but when he imagined it, he couldn't help but to blush uncontrollably. Was Yoongi really serious about it, or he said it out of anger? Jimin thought. After a few days, Jimin sneaked in Yoongi's room and found him sleeping, so he entered there without making any noise to not let him wake up. He sat kneeling down beside the bed to look at the sleeping face of his young. His heart couldn't stop ashing, thinking about the argument a few days ago. After that argument, neither of them talked to each other like they were strangers living under the same roof. No matter how much he summoned up the courage to talk to Yoongi and ask for forgiveness, the argument didn't leave his mind, and his own harsh words were hurting him. I love you, Ram. How to say that I love you? It's feeling like you're so far from me now. It's hurting me to let you go. This is what I feared the most, Ram. I know you don't feel the same, but I cannot even force you. I'm really sorry for hurting you that day. I was so stupid to be that reckless. It's hurting and I'm missing you badly. I'm missing your warm embrace. I'm missing those soft gazes of yours on me. Your gummy smile and everything, young. Everything I'm missing. I love you so much, Yoongi. I don't know how to make it right. Yoongi point of view.
I was about to sleep when I heard the creaking sound of the door. I sensed it was Jimin because of the way those steps came closer to the bed. I remained still. I didn't know he would sneak into my room. To be honest, I was missing his embrace so badly. I thought he was going to climb on the bed and sleep beside me. But he didn't. Though my eyes were closed, I still could feel him staring at me. I wondered what he was doing. For once, I thought to pull him on my bed and sleep embracing him. But the touch of his small fingers on my forehead suddenly caused my heart beat faster. I could feel him leaning closer to my face, and I could feel his breath on my face. The thing he did next was more surprising and shocking when I felt those juicy lips of his on mine. Before I could plan to pull him in a kiss, I felt him backing away. But before he could stand properly, I grabbed his wrist, and within just a second, he was under me on the bed, while I was on top of him, knees on either sides of his stomach, pinning his both hands on the bed. I could feel him registering what happened in a second because of how fast I was to flip him under me. So, the lights were off, but I still could see those wide eyes of his.
Yeah? You weren't sleeping?
Why you did that?
Yoongi asked in a hushed tone that gave Jimin goosebumps all over his body and scared him at the same time. I didn't know you weren't sleeping, Jimin said nervously, and Yoongi leaned closer to his face, looking deep in his eyes dangerously. That made Jimin gulp more hard.
I asked, why did you kiss me?
Yoongi asked again, but Jimin couldn't say anything, like those words just stuck in his throat, and like a magnet, Yoongi was leaning closer to Jimin's face. His one hand left Jimin's hand and reached Jimin's lips.
Were you trying to take advantage of my sleeping state, Jimin?
He rubbed his thumb over Jimin's lips, looking dangerously at those plump lips and glancing back in his eyes. His raspy voice was giving tingles in Jimin's stomach, and he couldn't stop his toes curling because how dangerously close they were, and how Yoongi was rubbing his thumb on Jimin's lips.
Tell me, Jimina, didn't you feel disgusted now, placing your lips on mine? Didn't you feel like rip them off of your mouth?
Yoongi whispered against Jimin's lips, fanning his hot breath on them. Jimin parted his lips to say something that was never spoken after Yoongi harshly smashed his lips onto those plumpy ones, shutting them up. With no other second wasting, Yoongi moved his lips on Jimin's and sucked them hard, like a candy, and Jimin couldn't hold the muffling sound that escaped his mouth without him asking. Jimin couldn't kiss back Yoongi because it was actually not a kiss, but Yoongi was continuously sucking his lips. Scratch that, he was actually eating them. After a good Yoongi pulled out, fanning his heavy breath on Jimin's lips and locked his eyes with Jimin. And it was Jimin now who pulled him in a kiss by his nape with his one free hand, while the other was still being harshly pressed on the mattress by Yoongi's long one. Jimin kissed Yoongi in the same passion he had kissed him, but it was a proper kiss this time. Soon Jimin let Yoongi's tongue a chance to explore his mouth wildly because of how effortlessly the tongue was dominating his one. Yoongi earned another sweet moan of Jimin's in his own mouth, and it made Yoongi more desperate. He didn't want to stop any sooner, but he hated the fact that he needed to catch some oxygen. Pulling away, catching his breath, he gave his eyes a good chance to mesmerize the beauty under him. Breathing heavily, catching as much possible air as he could, cheeks flushing red, eyes flickering, those red and swollen lips parting a little, showing his upper teeth with those he soon bit his lower lip. The white, milky neck that was inviting Yoongi's lips, tongue, and teeth to create an artwork on it. It all felt so inviting. He knew he wanted Jimin at that point. Jimin's eyes, desperate, were asking him to go further. His body language wasn't unnoticed by Yoongi's dark, needy gaze. He felt like something was rushing in him, something hot, like he was intoxicated, drugged, or possessed. Jimin, who was still holding Yoongi's knee, kissed it softly with his thumb and whispered against Yoongi's lips, looking deep in his eyes. "I want you here." The words muffled against Yoongi's lips, and he felt like Jimin was drugged. But his eyes weren't showing lust, but something else Yoongi wished was true what he was thinking. I love you, Young. I love you so much. I want you. I need you, Young. Don't ignore me. It's hurting me. His voice cracked as he confessed to Yoongi, who couldn't help but give a soft smooch on Jimin's lip before looking at him again. He was on cloud nine after the confession he was waiting for don't know how long.
Young loves you too, Jiminy. I love you. Love you so damn much.
Yoongi confessed, eye-gazing Jimin with tears in his eyes. Yoongi moved his head up, only to place his lips softly on Jimin's forehead, then on his eyes, cheeks, nose, and lastly on his lips before pulling him again in a deep kiss, but more passionate than before, their tongues colliding harshly yet so lovingly. Jimin's hands moved in Yoongi's hair, stroking them like his life depended on it. His body shivered on Yoongi's gentle stroke on his stomach, under his t-shirt, like those long fingers were casting any magic on him, and Jimin wished for more. Yoongi moved his lips on Jimin's jawline to his neck, giving breath kisses before licking him and giving kitten bites, earning desperate from his mouth. Yoongi pulled back, sitting on his knees on the soft mattress, either sides of Jimin's stomach, having a proud smile on his lips, looking at the artwork he engraved on Jimin's neck.
Hands up.
He ordered Jimin, who weighed him like a puppy. Yoongi pulled out Jimin's t-shirt in a pull, exposing his milky upper. Yoongi lifted up his own arms, pulling out his own t-shirt, exposing his toned upper. Even without abs, it was giant in front of Jimin's fragile figure. Yoongi leaned his head down on Jimin's abdomen and trailed butterfly kisses to his navel, getting soft impulse from him, who rolled his eyes, shivering up, taking his small fingers in Yoongi's shoulders. As Yoongi was moving his lips and tongue up on Jimin's body, his moans were getting louder enough to give Yoongi weird feelings down there. As he was nibbling Jimin's left nipple in his mouth, he rubbed his on Jimin's, getting desperate reactions from the younger. Jimin arched his back, breathing heavily, biting his lips to prevent more. His Adam's apple pooped as he gulped the saliva down to his throat. Yoongi was so damn good at it that Jimin wanted all of it. Jimin wondered how Yoongi knew how to pleasure him just by his mouth and hands, how he knew Jimin's soft spots. Jimin wanted to beg Yoongi to stop teasing him by rubbing his on his one that was screaming to let out of Jimin's pants to breathe the open air. His got louder when Yoongi's hands moved down, holding Jimin's hand, rubbing his bottom harshly on Jimin's while cupping his soft big cheeks and squeezed them. Stop teasing. Jimin muffled finally, earning a proud smirk of Yoongi.
My lips didn't worship every inch of your body at Jimina.
Yoongi teased, looking at Jimin's desperate eyes, but he swore he liked the view in front of him. How Jimin was breathing heavily, biting his lips, sweat all over his forehead. His milky upper that was covered by the art Yoongi created by his mouth, and the way his body was hitting. Everything was so intimidating for Yoongi. But he was serious when he said he wanted his lips on every inch of Jimin's body. So he did. From head to toe, neck to abdomen, shoulders to fingertips, from bare back to his curved waist, and from down there to his small toes. Yoongi swirled his tongue all over just like he said. Yoongi pulled Jimin closer and wrapped his arm around his waist softly, kissing it. Meanwhile, Jimin rested his head near Yoongi's chest, placing one hand on the left of his chest as they cuddled after a quick bath. Jimin couldn't stop the blush on his cheeks, recalling how Yoongi made him feel. It was as if Yoongi was really worshipping Jimin's soul through his body. He wondered the way they confessed and made love on the very first night of their confession, but he knew neither of them had any feeling of remorse. Then he remembered their argument. He still didn't apologize for those words. He moved his head up to look if Yoongi was left. Wrong. Jimin called him in a low voice, almost like a whisper, just to know because his eyes were closed.
Yes, Jiminy. Is it hurting?
Yoongi asked with a concern in his eyes, kissing Jimin's face. Anywho, Jimin answered with a soft yet shy smile. I want to apologize for bursting out on that day. I really didn't mean that. I was just angry. Yoongi sat on the bed beside Jimin, close to him, listening him calmly. He sighed before saying,
I'm also sorry for my rude behavior that day, Jimmy. It was disgusting to do that.
It wasn't, Young. Nothing was disgusting. I really didn't mean that. I loved everything. I love everything you do, Young. The way you look at me, the way you hold me, touch me, hug me, flirt with me and kiss me. I love everything. Jimin confessed because he didn't want his Young to misunderstand anything. Yoongi chuckled before his gummy smile turned into a teasing smirk.
You didn't explain everything. Don't you love how my hands work in and out of your body? How you feel my tongue on your skin? And how you feel me?
Jimin's whole face turned red because how shameless his Young was. He hit his hand on Yoongi's chest with a glare. I'm serious, Young. Don't you dare to flirt again. He couldn't maintain the eye contact and looked away.
Just a few seconds ago, you said you love when I flirt with you, and now, shutting me up. Ain't you my boyfriend, Jiminy? Wait, did we do it just to pretend? I've never heard of a pretending sex before.
Yoongi teased Jimin more, who glared at him. Shut up, Young. And who said it was all fake? It's just you who thinks that way. I know I agreed because I thought it was beneficial, but whatever I did wasn't fake. It was all real. You just simply blamed that I was doing it for some stupid benefits. Jimin said the last sentence with a bit disappointment while looking away.
I'm really sorry for saying that, but I was hurt to hear that you didn't have feelings for me and I didn't want to.
What? When did I say that?
I heard you talking to Taeyong on that day when you were saying that.
Yoongi answered and Jimin looked at him in dismay. How could you, Young? Jimin hit hard on Yoongi's shoulder. You stupid cat face human. I know I said that, but I was confused at the time and hadn't realized what I actually feel for you. How could you? Is that why you asked to end everything?
I'm sorry, Jiminy, but how would I know that? I was hurt because I wanted us to be really dating, and I was really waiting to ask you that for too long. But
Since when? Jimin asked, staring in Yoongi's eyes, who was muffled.
since 2 years.
He got another slap from Jimin on his shoulder. Then why didn't ask me, stupid?
Because I was afraid. I didn't know how to react, so I never confessed. Moreover, I didn't know how you feel for me.
Since when do you love me? Jimin asked curiously.
Maybe I've confessed it already.
Yoongi answered, making Jimin frown, and he widened his eyes, remembering the couple show. That was. You seriously mean that? Jimin asked in amazement, and Yoongi just nodded, giving a wide smile, but it soon fell.
But you didn't mean what I said, right?
I maybe hadn't realized my feelings back then. But believe me, you're not young. Whatever I said, I felt it. I didn't lie about anything. Every word I said was true. And he looked down, biting his lower lip before saying, I agreed to fake date you because I wanted to know how you sound as a boyfriend. Jimin confessed everything he had in his heart because he didn't want to hide anything anymore. Within a second, Yoongi pulled Jimin on his lap and made him look at him holding his chin.
So, how do I sound as your boyfriend?
You sound so romantic, said hot, cute, caring, understanding, dominant, and a bit of dangerous. More better than I imagined. Jimin told, looking deep in Yoongi's eyes, whose lips formed in a sweet smile. Dangerous. He chuckled, asking Jimin, who nodded in agreement with his eyes smile. Yoongi held Jimin's face by the back of his head with his one hand and another pulled him closer by his waist. He leaned in, picking on Jimin's lips multiple times, making him all giggly. And the next moment, Jimin found Yoongi's lips giving butterfly kisses on his neck. Oh, it's tickling! He laughed while trying to stop Yoongi, who was smiling while placing soft kisses against Jimin's skin. Young, stop it, I said. Jimin said again to stop Yoongi, who was quick to push Jimin back on the bed and hovered over him.
Dangerous, huh? Let me show you how dangerous I am.
Yoongi said and started tickling Jimin, who couldn't hold but laughed loudly. Stop it, Young! Jimin laughed more and more until his eyes filled with tears. He wondered how the man knew how to bring joy tears as well as pleasurable tears in his eyes. He wondered how the man was so perfect that he didn't want him to stop while he was in thrusting and now wanted to stop. How the man's hand was good at everything. How his fingers knew to give tingles and tickles on him. Then the simple answer was, he is Yoongi. More months passed and everything went more better than before. When Yoongi debuted with his stage name Agusty, everyone including Jimin was shocked because Agusty was a famous rapper in the same company Jimin was working in, but no one knew how he looked like. And when it was revealed, everyone went crazy, and Jimin too. He actually had a huge argument with Yoongi, and if Jin hadn't come in between, he would have thrown his hand on the rapper's face because he felt betrayed for hiding it from him for too long. And he wondered how he could never knew that the rapper is a huge fan of his own boyfriend. But it was solved soon because Jimin was actually happy. He was just a bit upset, but he came to know that Yoongi wanted to give him a surprise. And that's when he came to know that Yoongi himself offered to be Jimin's personal manager when Jimin joined the company. And Namjoon had to argue because Yoongi had offered that he would soon reveal himself if he let him be Jimin's manager, just because he wanted to be close to the angel, and that was the only option he could see though there were some other options too. And 3 years with the soon to Yoongi and Namjoon finally had a breath of relief after Yoongi's reveal. Jimin flickered his eyes open, hearing his phone buzz on the nightstand. He let out a big yawn with a groan, feeling refreshed because of how good was the last night when Yoongi massaged his back and some naughty things. His lips formed into a smile and he reached his hand to the nightstand, picking up his phone, only to see Taeyong was calling him. Hey Tae, he said in his morning deep voice, but Taeyong almost screamed. Have you seen the news, Chim Chim? Jimin immediately moved away the phone from his ears. What's wrong with you, Tae? You literally scared me. What news are you talking about? Jimin complained, still laying on his stomach. News of your breakup with Young Leung. Didn't you see the news yet? Jimin's eyes opened wide and he hurriedly sat on the bed. Have you gone nuts? We didn't break up. And last night, it must be fake news, Sai. Jimin said in a calm voice. It was published on your company's official channel, Jimina. What? Are you crazy? But we didn't break up then. How could they announce anything stupid? Wait, I'll call you later, Sai. I need to talk to Yoongi Young. Jimin hung up the call and got off the bed, calling Yoongi's name. He searched for Yoongi in the whole apartment, but he wasn't nowhere to be found. It made Jimin frustrated, so he called Yoongi, but his phone was switched off. Then he dialed Namjoon's number, who answered. What about the news, Mr. Kim? Not even sparing a second to greet Namjoon, Jimin asked because he couldn't hold his anger. Jimin, it was Yoongi who wanted us to announce it. Namjoon's answer was unbelievable, unpredictable, yet shocking. Are you kidding me, Young? I'm not Jimin. Where is he? I want to talk to him right now. Jimin demanded, forgetting that he was talking to his boss, who was actually a good young of his. I have no idea where he is. I was also calling him, but his phone is switched off. Namjoon explained what he knew, and Jimin couldn't hold his anger anymore. He didn't want to believe it, but there was a 1% chance that Yoongi would do it because he had asked it before, but it was all different now. How he could do that and without informing Jimin, without asking him, and the main question was why? Did Jimin do something wrong that Yoongi took this step? His mind was puzzled and all he wanted was to ask Yoongi, but he was nowhere to be found and his phone was switched off. Jimin was scared with two possibilities. Either Yoongi was in some kind of danger, or he was actually going to leave him, and none of them he wanted to be true. He was currently talking to Taeyong, who was already in his apartment. Why he would do that, Jimin? Did you two fight? Taeyong asked, and Jimin was quick to answer. No, Tete. And if they had any fight or argument, he still doesn't have the right to decide anything like this without my consent. His eyes were about to shed tears. Those were threatening in his eyes. But he didn't want to cry at the moment, because he needed to find where Yoongi was and ask him why he took this step. Just last night, we made love and he cannot do it there. Jimin bursted in tears and Taeyong couldn't help but pat his shoulder. Do you really have no idea where Yoongi Young could be? Where he can go, like to hide himself? Or Taeyong's words were cut off by Jimin's soft whisper. Hide. That's when it clicked his mind and Jimin got off the couch, wiping his tears off, ready to go out. What happened, Jiminy? Where are you going? Asked Taeyong and Jimin answered shortly. Helen. Taeyong was confused because he had never heard of anything like that, and before he could ask further, Jimin left from there, picking up the car key, wearing a long brown coat. If Yoongi was there, he swore, he was going to smack his head hard with his flying kick, and he was wishing it was true. Running and huffing for air, Jimin reached the place, but all things he had thought till now were long gone from his head, and his eyes fall on the view in front of him. His heart thumped louder, witnessing something so unexpected. His feet unconsciously walked, looking at everything with his wide doe eyes. The place was decorated with lights. There At his side was a decorated tent house, and in the middle there was a dining table beautifully embellished with tea light candles and a red wine with two wine glasses. Jimin ran his gaze around to look at the only person he wanted to see so badly, and there he saw Yoongi, standing beside a tree looking at Jimin with a smile. He ran in Yoongi's direction as soon as his mind came on earth, and Yoongi was all ready to embrace Jimin in his arms. But his smile fell instantly when he got a hard slap on his left cheek. He sweared, it burned like hell. And the next second, Jimin held him by the collar of his shirt. What the hell you think you were doing, huh? Jimin asked with a rage in his voice, and he left his collar. Do you think it's funny? Have you ever thought what I would do? Stupid cat-faced Jimin. I was so scared to death. Jimin didn't realize that his tears already had shed from the corner of his eyes. Yoongi instantly pulled Jimin in his embrace as soon as he witnessed tears in his eyes.
I'm sorry, Jiminy.
Yoongi felt guilty for causing the tears in Young's those pretty brown eyes and kissed his back softly. I was scared to death, Young. How could you do something like that? Please don't do anything like that. I will die. Jimin couldn't hold but cried hard.
Don't say anything like that. I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry, Jiminy. I didn't mean to scare you. I just wanted to give you a surprise. I didn't know I'll be the reason of those tears in your eyes. I'm just really sorry, Jiminy. I'm really sorry.
Yoongi embraced Jimin tightly, closer to his body. Jimin was holding him tight like if he left him, Yoongi would disappear. He was really very scared that his knees were becoming weak. Yoongi placed a loving kiss on Jimin's head, still stroking his back. After a while, when Jimin calmed down, Yoongi parted from the hug, still holding his waist, and placed a long loving kiss on his forehead.
I'm sorry, Jiminy.
Yoongi whispered, looking in Jimin's eyes. How you did that, Young? Asked Jimin, but Yoongi didn't answer him. Instead, he held his hand and started walking to where the table was and made him sit on one of the chairs while sitting on his knees in front of him holding his both hands.
I don't want us to be boyfriends anymore, Jiminy. Let's end it here.
He said, looking deep in Jimin's eyes. But why? Am I not a good boyfriend? Yoongi let out a sweet chuckle in that gummy smile of his before pulling out a small box from his pocket and opened it, revealing a beautiful diamond ring, and Jimin was too stunned to speak anything. His eyes went wide and heart started beating faster as Yoongi cleared his throat before speaking.
Park Jimin. Hush. I'm so nervous already.
He said, and Jimin chuckled with tears glistening in his eyes. Yoongi let out a sigh and spoke.
I want us to take this relationship further, to a more stronger one. I want us to be officially each other's. I want us to be each other's better half and stick to each other till the last breath. I want to share my further life with you, to be yours. So, Park Jimin, would you give me the chance to be yours? Would you like my soul and my body to be yours? Would you like my lips to only be yours? Would you like to make my everything yours? Would you like me to be your husband?
Jimin couldn't hold his smile back the way Yoongi proposed him to marry, like he was wishing himself to give to Jimin. And it was true. Jimin nodded with a wide smile and the tears finally released from his eyes, but those were happy tears. I would love to be yours for the rest of my life, my Yoongi. Jimin spoke, earning Yoongi's signature smile, who held his chubby hand with a care and slided the diamond ring in his cute little finger. As soon as the ring was in Jimin's finger, Jimin threw himself in Yoongi's arms, not even giving him a chance to stand. Yoongi accepted the hug gladly.
I love you, my angel.
I love you more and more, Yoongi, my darling. Jimin muffled snuggling in Yoongi's neck. After an hour, Jimin and Yoongi were lying on the soft mattress of the tent house, looking at the shining stars in the dark sky. Yoongi told Jimin that he didn't read the whole news that was saying that Jimin and Yoongi broke up and now they are going to get engaged to each other. And it was Yoongi's plan to hide it from Jimin, and Taeyong was also involved in the plan. Jimin face palmed himself that he was being tricked again, but was over the moon because Yoongi and he were going to be officially each other soon. And it was a plus point for Taeyong's boxy smile to be saved because Jimin had almost decided that he will break all of his teeth for fooling him by acting so nice. Jimin chuckled remembering something that caught Yoongi's attention more.
What are you thinking, Jiminy?
He asked, turning his head to look at Jimin's face, who also faced him with a smile. How funny that it all started with a tear. Yoongi chuckled with a nod and murmured,
But it wasn't a dare anymore since I first landed my eyes on you, Jiminy.
Yoongi confessed, looking deep in those hazel eyes of Jimin.
Whatever I did and said came straight out of my heart, Jiminy. And I realized that there was no going back, but it was so beautiful that I didn't want to back off and see, we are here now.
Jimin couldn't hold his eyes smile back and leaned over Yoongi's face to capture his lips in his ones. After a long smooch, Jimin backed away smiling, earning Yoongi's smile in return. Thanks for not giving up, Young, Jimin said, and again captured Yoongi's lips, pulling him in a proper kiss this time, hovering over him. And it didn't end there, if someone believes.